Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see how you can transfer data from Pendrive to your laptop. Welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. So let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to make sure is your Pendrive is inserted on your laptop. And after making sure that your Pendrive is inserted on your laptop, the next thing that you're going to do is simply open this PC on your laptop. So after opening this PC, here you can see this is the Pendrive file right here. You can simply just open this drive. And here you can see this is the file that is currently on this Pendrive. So double click on it and open this. And currently I want this file to be transferred on my laptop. So what we're going to do is simply just copy this file, for which you're going to single click on this file like this. And after doing that, here now you can simply click on this copy option that you can see right here, or simply press on Ctrl+C key. I'm going to click on this copy option right here. So after copying this file, and now what we're going to do is go back to this PC that you can see right here and click on this PC. And now you're going to select the drive that you want this file to be saved to. I'm going to select local disk C. So I'm going to double click on this drive. And after doing that, here you can see my drive has been opened. And from here, I'm going to select a folder that I want to save this file to. I want to save this folder to this particular folder called video. So I'm going to double click on it. And after doing that, now you can simply click on this paste option that you can see right here, or simply click on Ctrl+V key on your keyboard. I'm going to click on this paste option right here and simply paste the file. Here you can see, and here you can see we have now successfully transferred that file from the Pendrive to our laptop. Now you can simply again go back to Pendrive. And now in order to remove your Pendrive, you can simply just eject it first here by simply clicking on this arrow right here. And then you can see this icon. You can click on this icon and then click on eject scan disk. And after doing that, you can safely now remove your Pendrive. And yeah, that is it. That is how you can transfer data from your Pendrive to your laptop. If you want to be confirmed, here you can again open this PC on your laptop. And here you can see on your local disk C, here we transferred in this video folder right here. So we're going to open video folder. And here you can see this was the particular file that was transferred from Pendrive to our laptop. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.